Welcome back to another video. Up to now we have discussed regular adjective forms. Now we are going to discuss irregular adjective forms and now Latin adjective forms. Now let us see here. In regular adjective forms where we have used er and est to make a comparative and superlative degree. But in irregular adjective forms we are not going to use er and est or more and most. Instead of that, we use a separate word in comparative degree and a separate word in superlative degree. So that's why we call these are irregular adjective forms. Okay. Now let us see here. For example, the word good, it is an adjective. It can be expressed in positive form, and this is the root form. Now, if you would like to say that in comparative form, that will be better, and in superlative degree, that will be best. So, good, better, best, well, better, best. And if you take another word, little, so little, lesser, and least. You can also say less, lesser, least, and bad, ill, evil. These three words will take the same words in comparative and superlative degree. That is worse and worst in superlative. And much and many. These two words also take the same words in comparative and superlative degree. More in comparative, most in superlative degree. And again, another word we have, old. So this word can be used as older or eldest. Older is the word can be used with place and animal beings. So where this building is older than that building you can say, but you cannot say this building is elder than that building. So elder is going to used with only persons. So she is my elder sister you can say, but you cannot say she is my older sister, you cannot say. So that is the point you need to remember, the difference between elder and older. And this is another form, eldest and oldest you can use in simple superlative degree. And another form, former and foremost are the first you can use it. And for, further and furthest are the FAR and FUR you can also have. So furthest and furthest. So you need to understand the difference between the two words. Okay? And there are some more irregular adjective forms you have, and which I have given in PDF file for you. Please check it. Okay. Now let us see what are the Latin adverbs. So there are 12 Latin adjective forms which cannot be used in positive degree and superlative degree, but can be always used in comparative degree only. So for example, what are they? So the word interior, exterior, ulterior, major and minor. These 5 words are used in comparative degree, and the words which could not end with er but end with or. So you can see interior, exterior, ulterior, major and minor. So with this you can use than, the word than you can use. Now if you see the other 7 words you have, for example, inferior, superior, freer, anterior, posterior, senior and junior. With these 7 adjective forms in comparative form, they also end with war only, but which cannot be used with the word than, but instead you can use it, the preposition to. So you can use inferior to, superior to, freer to, anterior to, and posterior to, senior to, junior to, you can use. This is the exceptional case you need to remember. But you cannot use a than form, because than is the word we use in comparative degree. Then you are comparing with between 2 persons or more than 2 persons. Okay? So that is the point you need to remember. So now we will discuss adverb form also. Thank you.